Hey guys, welcome back on my channel. I have just gotten a new camera. This is my new vlogging camera. It's the Canon G7X Mark II that every blogger in the UK has. So I just thought, you know what, if I am to establish myself as a vlogger here, I might as well, get the right gear. So this is going to be the first video that I film on this, and you are actually in my kitchen right now. And I have gotten back from work. It's 8:30 right now, and it's a weekday, so we're on Tuesday, and I haven't meal prepped during the weekend nor on Monday, but I thought I would prepare something for me to eat, and while I do that I would also meal prep. So I thought I would just walk you through what I'm currently making. So I have here a platter of veggies that I have cut off, and I thought I would make a sort of ratatouille kind of way. So I have here some peppers that I bought about 10 days ago, and I felt like, or maybe a couple of weeks ago, and I felt that they might go bad, so I thought that it's about time for me to use them. Same thing for these onions. I got them 4 weeks ago, and the garlic. And then this weekend on Saturday I actually went to the farmer's market and I managed to get some organic veggies, and so I have cut a couple of courgettes and a couple of aubergines and just salted them so they're a little bit wilting right now. And for me the idea is not to have something that is watery, so I'm just going to kind of squeeze them before I start using them. So as I have all of this, I'm going to walk you through it. This is not a cooking channel, so it's not gonna be amazing quality, but I'll try to make it work, okay? First things first, I'm gonna I have sliced all my veggies, and I have decided to go for a ratatouille because I felt that, well, it's not really the authentic ratatouille, I guess, but I just wanted something that I can heat in the oven or in the microwave and that wouldn't go bad. My issue with meal prepping is typically that I hate having stale food that has been prepared for 3 days, and there are some dishes that are better than others when reheated. So ratatouille or kind of veggie stew is one of those. I have just put this big container to heat, and then I'm gonna use some olive oil and just top all of this. Now here I have poured some boiling water over some tomatoes just so that they're easier to peel, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. So olive oil. I'm going to add a lot of olive oil afterwards. I usually put a sort of cross incision at the top of a tomato, and then I just peel the rest of it very quickly. Then I will just cut these in 4. I have a couple secret ingredients. One is gonna be the sun-dried tomatoes, and then the other one is gonna be my basil. So just 3 of these because they can be overpowering. So I'm gonna bring you closer so you can see the colors of this. Then what I'm gonna do next is go with this. It has wilted a bit because it has been in salt. Ideally I would have had a colander, but I still haven't bought one, so I'm just going to kind of just pick them like this, try to squeeze them with my hands as you can see, and then put them in the this thing, whatever it's called. You would have noticed I haven't put any salt simply because the things were marinated in salt. Now I'm gonna use this little organic bird's eye chili. I think it's from Angola, so I'm gonna use just 2 small ones of these. That's my only seasoning. And then toss a bunch of parsley. Then all my tomatoes. I love how colorful this looks. So I just mix all of this, give it a good stir. Then I will turn down the heat to the minimum. And then let heat do its magic. So I'm gonna just forget about this for a bit, maybe clean my kitchen, and also try to have a sort of easier meal. So probably I will microwave something off of my fridge, but yeah. Alright, so it's been quite some time now. I'm going to just take that off. So I've really let it simmer for over an hour now, and that's just goodness. I've been watching the RuPaul finale. I'm not gonna give any spoilers, but yeah. So now for me this is done. I'm gonna just switch this off. Oops. Let it cool up a bit, and then I'm just gonna put it in small ramekins, and I'll have it in the fridge. But so how I'm gonna use it in my meal prep is that every time I'm gonna just scoop a little bit of it, add some fresh basil that I have, and then have a side of rice or maybe potatoes or something like that, and a protein. So that's the veggie part done, and it's just, I mean, I don't have a lot of ingredients in terms of seasoning, so I just let the veggies kind of do their own thing. That's why I went really organic, and I try to get the best quality veggies that I can afford, especially given the time. And so I'm really hoping that it's gonna turn out okay. Let me taste it. That's amazing. That's really amazing. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna let it cool off a bit. So there you have it, guys. Super harsh lighting because so I went to the gym earlier and I went for a boxing lesson, and then I kind of left my entire gym bag there. I only brought the dirty clothes back so that I could wash them. And so my glasses were in there because for the boxing class I prefer to have my contact lenses on. So I had my contact lenses, but they were just the daily ones because I still didn't get my monthly ones. And so I had to use my spare glasses, which I absolutely hate, and they don't stay on my face. And also my face is super shiny because I have the what's it called, voicemail mask by Neod. So it's an overnight mask that you just put on and then you sleep with it. But I just wanted to share a first meal prep video with you guys, just because many of you have requested it and wanted something realistic versus the people who just meal prep in a semi-professional way, right? So this is very true to me as a very busy professional woman. I didn't necessarily have the time to meal prep an entire thing, but this is just a side that is going to guarantee that I get enough fiber for my week. So I'm really excited for when I take it to work tomorrow. Cannot wait. So yeah, let me know what else you want to see in terms of cooking. I do plan on showing a tagine cooking video, but I just need to find what is the right angle to film it, so I'll take care of that later. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up because this is me trying to change the content of my channel, and I really need to know whether you guys like it, if it's even worth the effort. So let me know your feedback, and I'll see you very soon on my channel. Take care. There you go, 4 portions of ratatouille. Hey guys, I thought I would show you the following day how I go about eating this, because I didn't have it on the day that I made it, but I kind of heated a portion of that with some peri-peri chicken. It's going to be my dinner with this piece of bread. I obviously had a snack before, but that doesn't matter. Another way of me eating this would be by heating a portion of this and then cracking 2 eggs in it, and then I can eat it almost like what we do shakshuka, but it's gonna be with more veggies. So there are tons of ways that I could eat that, and I just chose to show you one of them today.